Welcome to Data Structure and Algorithms. I think you have seen my first video related to introduction of my course Data Structure and Algorithm. Start with the introduction, Data Structure, Unit 1A. What is data? Data is the integral part of the program or application. What is program? If I define a program is the set of instruction which perform some operation to get result. Without data, there is no meaning of instruction. Data uses in many places. Many places like data structure, databases, data warehouse, big data. Now come to data structure. Data structure can be defined as arrangement of collection of data items so that they can be utilized efficiently in efficient operation. Now question, where? Inside the main memory during the execution of program. So without data structure, there cannot be any application. During the execution program, how the program will manage data inside main memory and perform operation, that is data structure. CPU execution the program or process, RAM, main memory or temporary memory. This is hard drive, permanent memory. So where to keep our program and data? Both keep on hard drive. Now I take an example, MS Word. MS Word, just a program file, that is the application. Then here is MS Word and data file, that is for MS Word data file is docx. When double click on MS Word program, then MS Word, when MS Word brought into main memory. Actually, MS Word brought into that is CPU start execute MS Word. Open a MS Word window with menu bar, tools, document window. If you want to open a file, document file in MS Word application, then data brought into main memory. First data brought into program is a MS Word not directly access data in hard drive. So data must be brought into main memory. Same way, every application deal with some data, whether with MS Word or Notepad, all data brought into main memory. Like a Notepad. Notepad, main data should be text file, and text file brought into main memory. Same way, if you are using a browser like Chrome, so web page also coming from internet, that is also brought it to main memory. We'll see all things practically. Just have a look. My browser. My browser is Microsoft Edge. When I am opening this browser, Edge, then browser brought into main memory. Just you think, browser Edge brought into main memory. Okay. Next, I'm opening my website data structure and algorithms, which is kept in my local server SAM. This is my website data structure and algorithm. Data structure and algorithm is kept in my local server SAM. SAM means X operating system, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl. Opening the website means data structure and algorithms web page brought into main memory. Data structure, just I'm written as a short form DSA. Okay. Now brought into main memory. If I click on home, then my website, computer science and web page will be open. I'm clicking on home, my home page, computer science is open. Now I am going to access my local server SAM. It's a free open source cross platform web server. Yes. Next, access the htdocs directory. Then DSA final. Data structure algorithm, PHP file, computer science, also UGC net debug, that PHP file, all are available in this folder. Now I am going to open PHP code. I am going to open PHP code, data structure and algorithms on Notepad++. Yes. So Notepad++ and data structure algorithm dot php, data structure algorithm dot php also brought into main memory.
Notepad plus plus and data structure algorithm means same code also one copy brought into main memory. You can see this complete code. Just I want to delete or modify some part of the code in data structure algorithm.php file. You can see this is titled data structure and algorithms. Now I am deleting href attribute that is computer science.php in anchor tag. In anchor tag, just select this portion href attributes and delete it. Href attribute means initially it was referring hypertext computer science.php file. Now, no hypertext reference for home tab. Simply, I want to save. Just press Ctrl S, then close it. Ctrl S and close it. It's mean data structure algorithm.php code change and save into hard drive. Just have a look. This code already I have changed and Ctrl S press and save into this code, save into also same copy, save into hard drive. So now if I close any program, any data, mean that would not be available in main memory. So here data structure and algorithm.php code also change. Come to my website again. Data structure and algorithm. Again, click on home. But till computer science reference page, web page opening. It's been my browser accessing data which already kept in main memory. If I refresh or reload, I want to refresh or reload data structure or algorithm. F5 key is to refresh or reload. This is most commonly used in web browser to reload the current web page. So those modified code of data structure algorithm.php saving hard drive, that code will be copied or reload into main memory. So modified code, you can see this modified code refresh mean just this portion would be deleted and one copy of modified code brought into main memory, that is modified code, data structure and algorithm, modified code. Now I'm going to my website. Just have a look on my mouse pointer. On home tab of data structure and algorithm web page. So my mouse pointer sign not change. Also no clicking effect on home because I have deleted hypertext reference mean href equal to computer science.php. So no hypertext reference is there in my code. Now you can understand our application or browser accessing the data which already brought into main memory, not directly accessing data in hard drive. Okay. So data structure actually it's an arrangement. Okay. Data structure is a part of running program. Now come to database. Database is an organized collection of data that is also called stored data, accessed electronically through the use of database management system. Normally database is structured data. Sometimes it may be unstructured data. Small database can be stored on a file system, while large database are hosted on computer cluster or cloud storage. Here we'll talk about normal data. It can be accessed or stored in a computer system. It can be managed through a database management system in DBMS. DBMS is a software used to manage data. MySQL, Oracle as a DBMS. Normally the database organized and relational data. So application of the database, company information, account information, manufacturing, banking, finance transaction, telecommunication. Question: where do we keep this relational data? Stored on hard drive. Actually, this relational data normally stored on hard drive. Okay. So that is database. Now come to data warehouse. Data warehouse. Actually, a data warehouse is a relational database that is designed for query and analysis rather than transaction processing, also known enterprise data warehouse. A data warehouse integrate a data warehouse integrates various heterogeneous data sources like RDBMS, flat file, online transaction record. That's yes. ETL. Okay, actually, ETL. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, and it's a process used in data warehouse. Commercial data can be categorized mainly two types. One, legacy data, and other is operational data. Legacy data normally historic data
and operational data used daily. Legacy data, storing outdated or obsolete system. This data is created year ago and may not be actively used by an organization anymore. When required, fetch the data and use it. Kept in array disk. Actually, that is kept in array disk data warehouse. Just you can draw array disk. Okay. When required, fetch and use it. Okay. So algorithm written for analyze this data, that is data mining algorithm. Now last term, big data. Big data. Collection of data that's a huge volume. Get growing exponentially with time. Lots of data storing distributed way, like social network sites, Facebook, Google. All these sites generate huge data on day-to-day basis, as they have billions of users worldwide. Also, e-commerce site, well done, Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba. Normally, Hadoop uses HDFS, Hadoop Distribution File System, which use commodity hardware to form a cluster and store data in distributed fashion. Data structure related to main memory, database related to hard drive, data warehouse, huge data, array storage, and big data. Big data distributed way. Now come to classification of data structure. Data structure means organizing the data in the memory. Data can be organized in two ways, either linear or non-linear way. There are two types of data structure available for the programming purpose. Primitive data structure, you can see primitive data structure. Primitive data structure normally integer, float, character. Primitive data structure is the fundamental type of data structure that store the data only one type, whereas the non-primitive data structure is a type of data structure which is user defined that stores the data of different types in a single entity. That's all my unit 1. Next section, unit 1B, that is we'll discuss stack versus heap memory.